Hey travelers! If you're getting ready for your next big adventure, you won't want to miss these top 5 best-selling travel accessories from Amazon. Let's dive in. Item 1. 2-Pack European Travel Plug Adapter by VYLEE. First up, we have the VYLEE International Travel Adapter. This 6-in-1 travel plug is a lifesaver for your trips to Europe. It has 2 outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once. Whether it's your phone, tablet, or laptop, this adapter works across most European countries. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to pack. Item 2. 18-pack travel bottles for Toiletries Next. For those who like to travel light, this 18-pack of TSA-approved travel bottles is essential. These leak-proof and refillable containers are perfect for storing shampoos, lotions, and other toiletries. With different sizes and squeeze caps, it's easy to fit all your liquids in your carry-on without worry. Item 3. BAGAIL 8-set Packing Cubes. Packing is made simple with these BAGAIL Packing Cubes. This 8-piece set helps organize your luggage efficiently, with separate cubes for clothes, shoes, and accessories. They're lightweight, durable, and help maximize space, keeping your items neatly arranged. Item 4. VYLEE RFID Blocking Passport Holder. Keeping your personal information secure is important while traveling. The VYLEE RFID Blocking Passport Holder not only stores your passport but also protects it from electronic theft. This sleek wallet comes with multiple slots for your cards and boarding passes, all in a slim, stylish design. Item 5. FRETOO Luggage Scale. Avoid overweight baggage fees with the FRETOO Digital Luggage Scale. This portable gadget weighs up to 110 pounds, or 50 kilograms, and has a clear digital display, making it easy to weigh your suitcase before heading to the airport. The tare function helps with accuracy, so no more surprises at check-in. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on travel tips.